Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do some work today. So right now, we're just doing some zip tie work. I'm trying to get these wires kind of situated. It's a little chilly out. I got the headliner in right now, not like fully, but we're looking good. Now, I've got all these zip tied. Now it's not 100% permanent, but I want to get everything kind of in here and cleaned up. But that's what I've got so far. Also, I have the headliner in place, as you can see. The plan is to really, I just want to get this wire in here right now, and then I think I might try to get the front battery in and get the rear frame grounds done, and as well as get all the power wire up front hooked up, and then I plan on hooking the amp up as well. That'll be next. So now we have the amp officially wired in. We need to attach this to the frame, or attach this to the floor, and then hook up the power from here to the rear battery, and then I need to hook up the front runs up to the front battery. It's looking really good. I gotta build a platform basically to attach these, and this should all come together. All right, so we're gonna take a little break because it's freezing out, but this is what we got so far. We got the amp in here, all the wires. I already cut them and set them out already, but they're all ran. So like I was saying, all the wires are ran to the amp. They are ran back to the Titan S6. I only have 2 runs, 1 run of power, 1 run of ground to the distro block, which has 4 grounds, 4 power. That has 1 frame ground in here, and then the rest of the 3 go up to the alt case.
Okay, so what I'm doing now is I am going to get the seat pan ready, and I'm going to cut the officially going to install. I haven't done that yet, so this takes time a lot with that gone in the car. But 3 grounds, boom, 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 6 0. Probably got time lapse. Just cut myself. I blame Jen. I only have 6 wires, I don't know why I did 8. I got up there and had another ground or some shit. I don't even know if these are reached, to be honest. I should. It happens to be a little chilly outside. I think it's like 40 something. I still have shorts on like a dickhead, but you know how that goes. So not my legs are cold, so it's nice. I don't know if you can see that very well. I'm heat the switch up now. Cool. Now for these jokers. Put that all across now. Something about doing all this wiring, just love it. Love it. Stays on the car, huh? Yep. Gotta be a dickhead. A lot of people are saying, oh, why is that so much wire? Worry about why that's so much wire. What did they say in that one song? There's levels to this shit, young boy. That's what he said. There's levels to this shit. Look at that. Damn, that looks decent, huh? Zip tie that right there and get them zip ties.
So like I said before, power ground hooked up to the battery. Here's the grounds, here's the ground runs. Alternator, power. These are the 4 power runs. I don't have it hooked up yet because I still have to attach my rear distro, and I'm gonna wait till I get that done. That way I don't have any arcing going on. This is what I have so far for the front. Like I said, again, I still have to mount this, and I don't want to take a chance arcing this until I get it secured, so I'm gonna wait before I run the rest of the wire. I have these done. Next step is to get under here and polish the frame right there, and then attach.
As you can see, down out of the frame. Now we're gonna start bolting these grounds in with a self tapper, just like so. Not like that though. Where the fuck did that go?
See, now we have 4 frame grounds.
Polish this up a little more. Now we got that polished up, we're gonna run a cell tapper in this bitch. And then we're gonna go through, not today, maybe tomorrow, and I'm gonna paint all these a little cleaner, or keep them from rusting. Oh shit.
All right, guys, so that's what we got for today. We did all the frame grounds. We ran the alt charge cables, the ground charge cable, or the ground cables for the alternator. I still got to get another bolt so I can ground this wire from the alt case to the frame rail. Then I got the rear frame rail grounded, and then I got all this done. I still got to go through and cut these, heat shrink them, and attach them to the battery. And then I need to go through and get connectors for the positive and negative of the factory wiring so that I can attach it to the battery. And then once I do that, mount the rear distro, run the charge wire from the rear distro to the rear battery, and then finish doing the interior, and I'll be ready to start testing. But we'll be back with more. I know you guys like this hat. SundownsUnofficial.com. Go check them out.